Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new ProBEAM rear run brake LED fender tip on this 2012 Ultra Classic. Convert your stock running fender tip light to a modern run brake LED light with our new ProBEAM rear LED fender tip. It's a complete plug-and-play unit with 3 LED light pipes that operate as a running light with 12 full contrast LEDs for brake. And as always, it comes with our lifetime LED warranty. They can be used in conjunction with Custom Dynamics Magic Strobe's brake light flasher to add 10 brake flash strobe patterns for additional safety and visibility. To get started, remove the center taillight on the rear fender. This is done by removing the 2 screws on either side. Unplug the taillight at the connector and remove it. Locate the only 3-pin plug on the base and remove that as well. On the inside of the fender, where the fender tip is attached, there is a wiring harness clip that holds the wiring for the light. Remove the 7/16 nut and the clip from the wiring. Now remove the 2 T25 screws that fasten the rear fender tip assembly to the fender, then remove the fender tip. Route the wire from your Custom Dynamics fender tip through the fender and attach it using the 2 T25 screws. Reattach the wire clip and bolt it back to the fender. Route the wiring harness up through the taillight base and plug the connector into the same port where the original unit was. Reattach the brake light assembly by plugging in the connector to the base, then install it back onto the bike. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws or the lens may crack. Once everything is back together, test for proper operation of all lights. Now you're ready to enjoy your new ProBEAM rear run brake LED fender tip. Our ProBEAM rear run brake LED fender tip is a simple upgrade to your bike that will make a big difference for any rider. You can check out the entire ProBEAM family of products at CustomDynamics.com or by visiting your local Drag Specialties dealer.